I love my Craftamo brushes. I've been using them exclusively for the past few years, and I use them for both watercolor and gouache. Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. I'm an artist in Scotland, and I spend my days filming, photographing, and painting the beautiful Scottish Highlands. And I've partnered with Craftamo to create what I believe is the perfect set of brushes. I paint with them inside the studio and outside on location, almost every day. I also love that Craftamo uses cruelty-free and sustainably sourced materials. I love that the hairs are springy enough to create some bold marks, but also soft enough to gently layer gouache, and some of the fine points allow me to get lots of little details. So for a landscape painter, it's just the perfect mix. If you're looking for a set of brushes that are not only beautiful but also versatile, you will love this set. And they also make other brush types for acrylics and oils. So let your creativity run wild with Craftamo.